Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to use stocks on iPhone. So if you found it helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. So firstly we need to find stocks app. For that I'm gonna swipe down to use Spotlight search and manually input stocks. Then open this app. And on the main screen you'll see stories with news about the stock market. To view them, swipe up on the screen like that. This will give you access to the latest news and events that may affect the stock price. So to see a list of all stocks available by default, swipe down on the screen like this. This includes stocks that Apple adds by default, such as Apple, Dow Jones, and others. If you want to delete stock from the list, just swipe to the left and tap on this delete button. To add a new stock to your list, click on the magnifying glass right here on top and enter the company's name or ticker symbol. For example, I'm going to use NetWest. I misclicked. Let's try this out again. And this is the result. So when you find a stock you're interested in, click on it to open detailed information. After viewing details such as the chart and the current price of the stock, click the three dot icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the Add to Watch list to add the stock to your watch list. And if you need to add several stocks at once, then click on this small plus sign next to each of them and they will automatically be added to your watch list. Now to change the display settings and other options, again click on this three dots in the top right corner. There you can change the currency in which prices are displayed by tapping here, or easily edit watch list. So here you can reorder them or delete something from your watch list. Also you can choose what your watch list shows, price change, percentage change, and also market cap. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.